Hi, my beautiful bride.
My truck's definitely gonna need a good detail after this, huh?
Oh yeah. This thing saved it a lot though.
Oh yeah.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the
All right, we have got to go get Jed and Daniel really fast. So we're driving over here right now. Let's go get them.
there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go.
Pulled into Main Street Cafe in Brighton. Makes a bomb breakfast. They're kind of hard to get into, but that's what we're headed for. Hey, Big Yellow.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
No way, dude. I'm gonna film this kill shot.
This willows align.
Don't you think? I said I'm gonna film this kill shot. Oh, you're gonna film a what? Come on, old man. Yeah, look at him. He's all alive now. Like, yeah, let's get it. Head up to this sign and try to get in there. Huh? Come on, old Yeller. Come on, Yeller. What a dog. I love you, boy.
A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
What's up? I know I need a haircut. I look terrible. I look freaking homeless almost. But Eliza has been planning this thing all day, and she got us a hotel room with a jacuzzi and everything in it, which is way cool. And she brought the dogs, and we're all headed out over here to go hop in the koozie. Hi, crazy. You guys, that is one of the luxuries that you do miss out on when you live in a fifth wheel. And it's like, it's not too big a deal until you haven't had one in a long time, and like all you want is just a tub to soak in. Come here, Acer. So it's freaking awesome. I got my wife, I got my boy who ain't here yet, and then I got my dogs. Like, we're just living good right now. I look like hell, but we're gonna eat, and then I'm getting in the tub. So Eliza went all out. She went and got us well, she got Olive Garden because she's an Olive Garden fanatic, which I believe every woman is. And then I got a steak. What's that all about?
I was on the chair and she was scared.
Telling you guys, nothing quite like Texas Roadhouse rolls. Even the dog wants one really bad. He's even been really good right now. But no.
What did I want?
Check on Daniel and make sure I took care of them. Sometimes a guy's gotta do this, you know what? Just get you a hotel room. I mean, we're only like maybe 45 minutes from the trailer. I was gonna go home tonight anyway. But I mean, it's just nice sometimes just to get you a motel room. You know, there ain't nothing wrong with a motel room. wine glasses full of Coke. Got a steak. This is a dang good idea. I wouldn't have ever thought of this. Holy crap, that's a big old steak. That's a roser. Only need